Hello, everyone. If you are someone who needs to wear hearing protection but also wants to listen to music, grab a cup of coffee and read our article on the best headphones that look like earplugs. All product links are available in the description. You can check them out for the best prices. Let's start. 1. Elgin Rumble Wired Earplug Headphones. Combining Elgin's rigorously tested earplug design with immersive audio, the Rumble wired earplug earbuds help you focus on the task at hand while blocking out harmful and distracting noise. The Rumble Wired boasts a realistic 27 decibel noise reduction rating that is OSHA compliant and ANSI certified. 2. MIPEACE LMI04 Bluetooth Earplug Headphones. MIPEACE Bluetooth Earplug headphones offer a noise reduction rating, NRR, of 29 decibels, allowing you to protect your ears from harmful noise and listen to your music in most noisy environments. Since they're Bluetooth earplugs, there's no need to run long wires all the way to your phone or music player. 3. Green-Blue WORKINBUDS Earplug Headphones. For those on a budget but still want a reliable and high-quality earplug, these Bluetooth WORKINBUDS may be the right choice. Despite their low price, the sound quality is surprisingly good compared to other cheap earbuds. These headphones are very lightweight and form a very comfortable seal that prevents background noise from polluting the sound. 4. Elgin Ruckus Earplug Earbuds ANSI certified 25 decibel noise reduction Ruckus. Wireless has a lightweight and comfortable design, while also boasting a best-in-class battery life of over 12 hours on a single charge. Connect seamlessly to your Bluetooth-enabled devices, including your smartphone, with the latest Bluetooth technology. Enjoy the freedom of moving up to 50 feet away from your connected device, thanks to the extended range. The integrated microphone also lets you make and receive calls with ease. 5. MIPEACE MI04-N Earplug Headphones, patented oval silicone ear tips with an anatomical design that provides an incredible seal while reducing ear fatigue. Enjoy your music while providing an excellent noise reduction rating of 29 decibels to protect your ears from harmful noise in most noisy environments. 6. Elgin's Discord Bluetooth Earplug Earbuds. Elgin's Discord Bluetooth Earplug Earbuds are specifically built for noisy and demanding work environments where long hours and heavy use are common. EPA certified to meet ANSI standards, the Ruckus earbuds offer OSHA-compliant 7. Eledumare Earplug Bluetooth Headphones. The ergonomic in-ear tips conform to your ear for maximum comfort. The triple-layer medical silicone earplugs provide a secure fit that effectively blocks out hazardous noise, making them ideal for long hours at work while enjoying your music. The built-in high-capacity battery and low-power algorithms allow you to enjoy 20 hours of uninterrupted music with these Bluetooth headphones while you work. Well, there were the best headphones that look like earplugs to protect your ears. Earplug headphones were not a niche product until a few years ago, but they have since exploded into the mainstream market due to necessity. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.